Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make quick and easy Thai basil beef. Thai basil beef is super quick and easy and it's bursting with flavor. It's made with ground beef and lots of fresh basil. Serve it over some steamed rice and you can forget the takeout. So let's get started. We're going to start off by making our sauce. Here I have 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to mix everything until it's well combined. If you don't have fish sauce on hand, you could purchase it at the Asian market. It really adds tons of good flavor, but if you choose to leave it out, I would suggest just to add a little bit more soy sauce. Next, we'll be needing about a cup of chopped basil. I have regular basil here that I picked up from the grocery store, but you can also use Thai basil, which you can find at the Asian market. But both work just fine. Every time I buy a large basil bunch, I try to think of 2 dishes that use it, just so I don't waste it. I wish I can grow my own herbs, but I end up killing everything. Here I have about 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef, and I'm adding it to a pan that I heated over medium-high heat. I'm going to use my spoon or spatula to break up the meat because I don't want big chunks of meat in this dish. And I'm just going to cook this down until it's completely cooked through. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes. I love this dish because it's super quick and easy. I have most of the ingredients in my pantry. If you've watched my pantry essentials for cooking video, you'll see that I always keep 1.5 pounds of ground beef in Ziploc bags in my freezer. I've drained and set the beef aside, and now I'm going to add 1 sliced bell pepper, along with 1 small sliced onion, and 3 minced garlic cloves. And I'm going to cook these down until they're slightly softened. I don't want to cook these down too much. I want the bell peppers to still have a slight crisp to them. Also, if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe so that I can continue to share simple and delicious recipes with you guys. And if you're not new, welcome back. I hope to inspire you to make another new recipe. Now I'm going to return the beef back to the pan. And I'm going to stir in the delicious sauce that we made earlier. And I'm going to continue to stir fry over medium-high heat until most of the liquid has been evaporated. We want all that flavor to kind of just absorb into the meat. This is such a tasty dish that you could just quickly whip up at home and everyone will love it. If you want to add some heat, you could add some chopped Thai chili peppers or some crushed red pepper flakes, but my kids are going to have this for dinner, so I'm going to leave the spice out. But I'll add some to my own. And off the heat, I'm going to stir in the fresh chopped basil. This just gives a dish some fresh flavor and it makes it pretty. I'm loving the bright colors. As always for you guys, I have the full written recipe in the description below if you guys want to check that out. I am ready to serve this up. Of course, you cannot serve stir fry over some steamed rice. And I have some that I made earlier, and I'm going to put a few scoops of this delicious Thai basil beef. It's savory from the soy sauce and fish sauce. It has a hint of sweetness and the fresh Thai basil. Honestly, this is better than takeout. So good.
So good. I do like this. Like this.
It's yummy.
Yeah. Like this. Thumbs up.
If you guys enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to check out all my other quick and easy stir-fry recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.